This is a quick video demonstration of our IPPTZ-EL2MPIR250L20X. This is our new edition of PTZ IP cameras on our line. I'm going to be showing you some of the features of the camera, some of the things that comes with the camera. With the camera itself, you will see that it comes with a gasket for you to use it on your wall mount. It comes with gloves for installations, a manual that shows you how to connect to the speed dome or the PTZ using your computer, and how to configure your computer and how to install the camera itself and so on. So also you will see Allen keys for opening and closing this particular wall mount. You have another Allen key for you to adjust the screws once you mount the camera. As I say, gloves for installations and the user's manuals for you to understand how the camera works, and it shows all the functions of the camera. As you see, this camera comes on it has actually three components. It has the 24-volt AC adapter. It will have the wall mount with the base and everything where the camera is going to be hung, and the camera itself. On the wall mount, you will see here is where you put that gasket I showed you before. This is the pigtail that you're going to have to connect do all your connections and all that. This is the RJ45 for you to put it on your network. It will not power up the camera using a PoE. This is a 24-volt camera, so you will need the 24-volt power supply that comes with it. Also, you will see here everything is properly labeled. This is your positive and negative and the ground for you to put your power. If you have the camera connected to, or if you want to connect it to an analog DVR, you will be able to do it. And then here is the RS485, the yellow and orange. The yellow is the positive and the orange is the negative. Also, you will see here the video out. So for you to put in a regular analog DVR, you can do so. And this part over here, this is what you connect inside the camera. These are all the fittings are pre-made and are properly labeled. And you just have to plug it into the camera and close this part right here, and then you're done. It's very easy to install. Here's your 24-volt power supply. So this is the camera itself. As you see, this camera has IRs. So one cool thing that this camera does is this IRs can view up to 250 feet. So you can actually, this particular camera, when it's focusing to a closer object, it will use a set of IRs so you can see the picture, at night with no problems. And then when you zoom in, when you go in further, the IRs, another set of IRs will turn on for you to compensate that light and still being able to see what you're trying to accomplish or what you try to view at that distance. It's amazing. This particular camera records at 1080p or 2 megapixels, so it gives you sharp picture, and you will definitely love it. This is a vandal-proof PTZ. It's very robust, very well designed and well built. And here on this side, this is where you will see the connections, and everything is properly labeled there. That's where the mount is going to. It has a latch right here, so you will put the mount and then tighten the screws, and then you're done. I put this is the gasket that is going to come on this side, because this side has to have a gasket. So right now, everything is pretty much just plug and play. You plug everything, and you don't have to set up anything like dip switches when you are using it with an NVR. Now, if you're using it with an analog cameras, yes, you have to set up dip switches, and they are located right here, and everything is labeled right there. If you can see, like here, everything has its own label, so you can see what options are. So it's a very robust camera. It gives you an awesome picture, 250 feet of IR, and it's available on our website right now, and I hope you like it. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.